The Battle of Cape Kaliakra was the last naval battle of the Russo-Turkish War of 1787 to 1792. It took place on the 11th of August 1791 off the coast of Cape Kaliakra, Bulgaria in the Black Sea. Neither side lost a ship, but the Ottomans retreated to Constantinople afterward. The Russian fleet under Admiral Fyodor Ushakov, of 15 battleships and 2 frigates, and several small craft sailed from Sevastopol on the 8th of August, and at midday on the 11th of August encountered the Ottoman Algerian fleet under Hussein Pasha of 18 battleships and 17 frigates and some smaller craft at anchored just south of Cape Kaliakra. Ushakov sailed, in 3 columns, from the northeast, between the Ottomans and the Cape, despite the presence on the Cape of several guns. Admiral Said Ali, the commander of the Algerian ships, weighed anchor and sailed east, followed by Hussein Pasha with the 18 battleships. The Russians then turned around south to a parallel east-southeast course and formed up mostly into one line, with Ushakov in 3rd position and 1 ship out of line on the off-battle side. Said Ali, leading the line, turned north to try to double the Russian van, but Ushakov sailed out of the line and attacked him, as the rest of the Russian fleet approached. This was at 1645. Gradually the Turks turned to the south, and when darkness put an end to fighting at 2030 they were in full retreat to Constantinople. Russian casualties were 17 killed and 28 wounded, and the Alexander Nevsky was damaged. Ships involved. Some of the Russian vessels involved and their crew were Russian Empire Rozhdestvo Kristovo 84, Joan Predteka 74, Maria Magdalena 66, Preobrazheny Gospodna 66, Pavel 66, Vladimir 66, Leontiy Muchenik 62, Alexander Nevsky 50, Andrei Pavaz-Vania 50, Nikolai 50, Johann Boguslav 46, Novacia Vaznesenia Gospodna 46, Pyotr 46, Tsar Constantine 46, Phanagoria 40, Makropoli SV, Mark Evangelist 36, Rozhdestvo Kristovo, Ioronum, Panagia Apotamengana 14, 16 privateers. Consequence. The battle occurred near the end of Russian-Turkish War, which ended with the signing of the Jassy Peace Treaty. The tactics used by Ushakov were a serious innovation in the theory of sea warfare. After that, a similar maneuver used Admiral Nelson in the Battle of Abukir in 1799 and the Battle of Trafalgar in 1805. For the victory at Cape Kaliakra, the Order of St. Alexander Nevsky was awarded to Admiral Ushakov.